Hello student, I am Nilesh Thakre. Today we will see first practical of control system and PLC subject whose title is use of potentiometer as a error detector. Now practical significance. First, potentiometer is a basic control system component used by industry for error detection. Second one, the potentiometer has been used for determining of error of angular position. आता बघा बाळांनो की हा पोटॅन्शियोमीटर कंट्रोल सिस्टीममधला अतिशय महत्त्वाचा कंपोनंट असून की जो एरर अँग्युलर पोझिशनमधला एरर शोधण्यासाठी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये वापरला जातो. त्याच पद्धतीने आता हा पोटॅन्शियोमीटर आहे दोन अँग्युलर पोझिशनमधला कसा एरर शोधतो ते आपण आता ह्या प्रॅक्टिकलमध्ये बघतोय. आता त्यापूर्वी आपण पोटॅन्शियोमीटर म्हणजे नेमकी काय ते बघू आणि मग कसा हा पोटॅन्शियोमीटर एरर डिटेक्टर म्हणून वापरला जातो ते आपण बघू. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कंट्रोल सिस्टीमची ब्लॉक डायग्राम माहिती आहे की तिथे आपण एरर डिटेक्टर म्हणून असा एक ब्लॉक आपण तिथे ड्रॉ केला आहे. तर मग एरर डिटेक्टर म्हणजे हे दुसरं तिसरं काही नसून एक पोटॅन्शियोमीटरसारखा कंपोनंट कंट्रोल सिस्टीममध्ये असतो की जो दोन अँग्युलर पोझिशनमधला काय शोधतो एरर शोधत असतो. तर आपण ते बघू. ओके, now we will see what is potentiometer. Potentiometer is an electromechanical transducer which converts angular displacement of input shaft into proportional electrical voltage. Potentiometer having three terminals, namely fixed terminal 1, fixed terminal 2 and variable terminal. As shown in figure, we can observe that we are applying a voltage across fixed terminal of the potentiometer and we are measuring output voltage across variable terminal and fixed terminal. Then whatever the output voltage we are measuring here, it is directly proportional to angular displacement of the input shaft. When voltage applied across the fixed terminal of the potentiometer, then the output voltage measured at variable terminal is proportional to the input displacement of variable terminal. Means your output voltage reflecting a angular displacement of the input shaft which is operated by the user can move the shaft, and once when the shaft is moving, then that variable terminal is moving over a resistive materials. Okay, fixed resistive materials over there in circular shape, and as you know very well, it is acting as a variable resistance. That's why whatever the output voltage we are getting across the one variable terminal and one fixed terminal, it is directly reflecting the angular displacement of the shaft. Okay, now till this point we will see what is potentiometer and how the voltage across the potentiometer is directly proportional to angular displacement of the input shaft. Now we will see how the potentiometer is used as a error detector. Okay, let us start. Now we will see how potentiometer used as a error detector. Require equipment for experiment is two potentiometer of equal value, one DC power supply, one digital multimeter and some connecting wires we require to perform this experiment, whose name is potentiometer is used as a error detector. Okay, now as per the shaft position, right now the reference shaft and control potentiometer shaft is aligned to 90 degree. Now we are changing the position of control pot. Then you can observe the output voltage of digital multimeter. Then you will realize that when we are shifting a shaft of our control potentiometer in clockwise direction, then output voltage is changes as per the deflection of. Now you can observe the shaft position. Now the shaft position of control potentiometer. Okay, the reference and initial position of control pot is 90 degree. Now right now we are moving it. Now it is close to 250 and 270. Okay, and our reference pot is at 90 degree. Means this output voltage of digital multimeter indicates that now our control pot shaft is moving in clockwise direction. Means now the digital multimeter reading indicates the error deflection. Means now our control pot shaft is shifted from 90 degree, and the reference voltage given by the reference potentiometer. The reference voltage is given by reference potentiometer, and reference potentiometer is set at 90 degree. And right now our control potentiometer shaft is moving clockwise direction, and right now it is set at around 250 degree. That's why we are getting a error voltage at a digital multimeter. Error voltage digital meter. Now the most important interesting point is that now if we are moving this control potentiometer in opposite direction, means now we are shifting the control potentiometer in clockwise direction. Means reference position of our reference potentiometer is 90 degree. When we are shifting it in clockwise direction, then we can observe that the digital multimeter providing a positive output voltage. But now the reference potentiometer and our control potentiometer is aligned. That's why digital multimeter showing zero output voltage. It's very close to zero output voltage. Now we are moving control potentiometer in reverse direction of our reference potentiometer shaft. Then you realize that now our digital multimeter showing negative output voltage. Means this potentiometer not only showing a error, but also this potentiometer when using as a error detector, it's showing a direction also. Means the right now the shaft of our control potentiometer is in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, anti-clockwise direction means when output voltage of digital multimeter is showing negative, its meaning is that the control potentiometer shaft is at a counter direction, means clockwise, not anti-clockwise direction. Means control potentiometer shaft is at a anti-clockwise direction, and when we are moving this shaft to the clockwise direction, and when this shaft crossing a reference means 90 degree, then our digital multimeter showing positive output voltage. In this way we can say that this potentiometer now working as a error detector. Means this output voltage is directly proportional to the error of shaft of control potentiometer, and reference shaft we are not disturbing. Try to understand, reference shaft we are not disturbing at all, because it is a reference voltage. And the control potentiometer shaft is our measured shaft, basically measured shaft. Okay, in this way we conclude that the potentiometer is acting as a error detector. Thank you very much.